My name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number 205-8P-BM545. This is the ST205 75R15 8-Ply Radial Trailer Tire mounted on the black mod wheel with the 5-on-4.5 bolt pattern. Let's check it out. So like I said, today we're looking at the ST205 75R15 8-Ply Radial Trailer Tire on the black mod wheel. So this tire comes mounted, ready to go, fully aired up. Just simply throw it on your trailer and go. And the size is the ST205 75R15 8-Ply Radial Trailer Tire. So the R stands for radial. Some people might have a D instead of an R, but I prefer the R's because it's a steel belted radial tire versus the D's that are a bias, so a nylon belted tire. So the radial tires, they hold up a lot better going up and down the road all the time. You're going to get a lot more mileage out of them. So I prefer the R's. This is also an 8-ply instead of a 6-ply. Most people out there sell 6-plies, but we sell the 8-ply, and that's a load range D. So it's going to be able to hold more weight, and this tire is actually rated at 2,150 pounds, as you can see, and it's a 65 psi tire. So typically, like the 6-plies are going to be 50 psi, but this one's 65, so a lot better. And the tire overall height on it's 27 inches, and it's 7 inches wide. It has the matte black wheel on it, very nice. And the speed rating on it is an M speed rating. So this number right here you see, M, that's going to be the speed rating, and that means it's rated for 81 miles an hour. So that's great. And has a 3.19 center bore hole. Not that that really matters, but what matters is the bolt pattern. So there's 4 different bolt patterns in a 5-lug. There's a 5-on-4.5, a 5-on-4 3/4, a 5-on-5, and a 5-on-5.5. So you need to always check to make sure that you have the right bolt pattern or know what you need. So to do that, there's 2 different ways. The easiest way is to measure from center of one hole right here to center of the other hole right here. So if you measure from center to center, you can get 2 5/8. So 2 5/8, that would mean you have a 4.5 bolt pattern. And then there's also a 2 3/4. So if it measures 2 3/4 from center to center, that means you have a 4 3/4 bolt pattern. And if it measures 3 inches, that means you have a 5-inch bolt pattern. And if it measures 3.5, that means you have a 5-on-5.5 bolt pattern. You can also measure it from center of one hole, skip a hole, to outside of the third hole. So center of one, skip one, and outside of the third one. And that's going to measure like 4.5 inches, 4 3/4, 5-inch, or 5.5. So that would mean you have 5-on-4.5, 5-on-5, 5-on-5.5, or 5-on-4 3/4. And I'll tell you that the 5-on-4 3/4 and the 5-on-5 are not as common anymore as the 5-on-4.5 or the 5-on-5. So always keep that in mind and double check your bolt pattern, because we'd hate to ship you the wrong ones and then have to go through all the shipping process of returning it and getting it back to you. No fun. So this particular tire is a high run, one of the many brands we stock and sell. So you might not always get a high run. You could get a Caraway or Nama or some other popular brand that we sell. And yeah, we always keep these on hand, in stock, ready to go. And you can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, like, or share. trailerpartsunlimited.com.